Hey guys, welcome back to Shortcuts to Success, where I, Randy Vieru, share with you how to achieve professional baker's recipes. Today's recipe is going to be pâte sablé, and pâte sablé is a buttery, flaky dough that completely melts in your mouth. It is great for chocolate tarts. I actually have a great recipe of a chocolate tart that uses pâte sablé as a tart shell. So if this is something that you're interested in, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss when I drop that recipe. Without further ado, here are the ingredients and the recipe to follow. We're going to add our flour, sugar, almond flour, and our salt. We're going to give it a whisk to combine. Next, we're going to add our room temperature butter. And we're going to mix our butter into our dry ingredients until we have about a sand-like consistency, or a SABLE. We're just squeezing the butter and flour in between our fingers, just like so. Once we get to this consistency, we're now going to be adding our egg yolks. Make a well in the center. And we're going to mix with our hands again. Now that we have a consistent ball, we're going to form it into a disc, and we're going to wrap it and let it rest for at least an hour. And remember, you don't want your disc too thick. If your disc is too thick when it comes out of the refrigerator, it will break as you try to roll it out if it's still too cold, or if you try to let it rest and you come and roll it out, it might be too soft and you'll need to put it back in the refrigerator again. So you want it to be at about an inch thick when you form it into your disc. Now our pâte sablé is ready to refrigerate for at least an hour. There you have it, guys, a great recipe for pâte sablé. If this is something that you enjoyed, please make sure to like my video. And if you do decide to reproduce this at home, make sure to tag me at Shortcuts to Success on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.